Struggling to add more questions to your Namecheap FAQ page? In 60 seconds, you'll know exactly how. So here's the deal. You've got a Namecheap website, and your FAQ section is looking a little bare. You want to add more questions, but the default ones that came with the template seem to be the only option. It's frustrating, right? But trust me, the fix is really simple. I've walked through this interface more times than I can count, and once you know where to click, it takes no time at all. First, open your site in the Namecheap builder.
Then we'll add a new question and save it. I'll walk you through each click so there's no guesswork. All right, let's start. The very first thing you need to do is navigate to your Namecheap dashboard and open your site in the website builder. You want to click on the editor button for the specific site that has the FAQ section you want to work on. This is going to open your entire site in the visual builder, where you can drag and drop things, change text, and yes, manage your FAQ. This is the main workspace, so take a second to let it fully load. Sometimes it takes a moment or two for everything to appear. Now, here's the key part. Once you're in the editor, scroll down to the FAQs section of your page. You'll see the default questions that Namecheap provided. And right there, usually at the bottom of that list of questions, there's a button you're looking for. It's called Add Another Question. Go ahead and click that. And here's the really important thing. When you click that button, it doesn't instantly insert a new question into your page. Instead, it opens up a separate window or a panel on the side. This is where you'll type in your new question. So go ahead, type out the question your customers always ask. Then type out your answer in the box below. Make sure it's clear and helpful. Once you've written your question and your answer, look for the button that says Continue. Give that a click. This confirms your new entry and adds it to the list. You might see your page refresh slightly, or the new question just appears right there in the FAQ section. That's it. Now, and this is the step that trips people up, you have to save your work and publish the site. Don't just close the browser tab, because all that work will be lost. Look for the Save or Publish button. It's usually at the top of the editor. Go ahead and click that. Namecheap might ask you to confirm that you want to publish. Just click Confirm or Publish again. It usually takes just a few seconds to process, and then your live site is updated. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from being stuck with a limited FAQ to confidently expanding it with all the questions your customers actually need answered. You've got this. Now go ahead and add as many as you like.